Hello, good morning students. Today we are discussing the lecture number 4, that is particle nature of electromagnetic radiation and Planck quantum theory. Okay, before this Planck quantum theory, the scientists believe that whatever the light is there, the light consists only wave nature. Light consists only wave nature because some experimental phenomena such as diffraction, interference can be explained the wave nature of electromagnetic radiations. The light is the electromagnetic radiations. In that light, in which whatever the nature of the light is there, the nature of the light can be explained as wave nature. Wave nature based on the diffraction and interference theory. Based on the diffraction and interference phenomena, it explained as the light is a wave nature, right? But some observation which could not be explained with the electromagnetic radiations. When the Planck quantum has studied that one, he found that along with wave nature, it includes some one more nature. Along with the wave nature, light includes the one more nature along with the wave nature. By following these observations, the nature of emission of radiation from hot bodies, that is black body radiation, this experiment, ejection of electron from metal surface when radiation strike it, photoelectric effect, variation of heat capacity of solid as function of temperature, line spectra of atom, the special reference of hydrogen. Based on the following experiment observation, the Planck has come to the conclusion the light consists wave nature as well as one more nature. Which nature? How we explain? On what basis he explained? Let's see here. The first we will discuss the black body radiations. Black body radiation. When solid are heated, they emit radiation over the wide range of wavelength. For example, iron rod is heated in furnace, it turns dull red, then more bright red. The temperature increases, it becomes blue, right? This one we have to observe in many times. We have to observe, right, students? So whenever we are using the iron rod we are continuously heated, it initially turns into the dull red color. The metal surface, it appears dull red color, and again continuously heated, the dull red color turns into bright red color, right? Again it continuously heated, as the temperature increases, it becomes blue, right? So it means the light, it means the specific wavelength of light we are observing here. Dull red color is the specific wavelength of light, bright red color is the specific wavelength of light, and the blue color is the specific wavelength of light. It means some nature is different here: dull red color, bright red color, and blue color. Why it happened? Let's see here. When metal rod is heated, it turns into initially red color, that is bright red and dull red. Again it becomes blue. So it indicates that this can be explained in terms of frequency. The Planck's can be explained why this happened. He explained in terms of frequency. He explained this one. Frequency of emitted radiation goes from lower frequency to higher frequency as temperature increases. So why this color changes? Because the frequency of emitted radiation, when we are heated, it absorbs the heat. When it heat, when emit the radiation, that dull red color light is the radiation of frequency. And the next, the blue color, it is the higher frequency, and the other is the lower frequency. When we are the metals are emitting some particular colors, initially red color, afterwards blue color, means the frequency, it undergoes frequency changes. Lower frequency radiations are emitted from lower frequency to higher frequency. That's why they are changing the colors here. Students, first, red color lie at lower frequency region and blue color lie higher frequency region of electromagnetic spectrum. So red color lying in the lower frequency region and the blue color lying on the higher frequency region. So that's why he given that the ideal which emit the radiation as absorb the radiations of all frequency called as black body radiation. So the substance which emit the radiation as it absorb. So if we are applying the temperature, the particular specific temperature we are applying, so it's absorbing the blue color frequency of light and emitting the blue color light. Again we are increasing the temperature. After increasing temperature, temperature increases, so emission of light also increases here. So frequency, the emitted radiation as absorbed, the ideal body which emit the radiation emit the radiation as it absorb radiation of all frequency called as black body radiations. So this black body depend upon temperature. Obviously this is depend upon temperature because we are applying the heat here. So heat means that is the temperatures. Depend upon temperature. At the given temperature, intensity of radiation emitted increases with decreasing wavelength. When the temperature increases, the intensity of radiations are increases, the brightness increases and decreasing wavelength as the temperature increases. So look at here. So in this, here you are observing the wavelength like this. As again you are increasing temperature, it turns into blue. It means the temperature increases, the frequency increases, wavelength decreases, temperature frequency are increases here. Intensity of radiation emitted increases, decreasing wavelength decreases, the brightness are increases. So intensity reaches maximum value at the given wavelength, then start decreasing, further decrease wavelength. Whenever we are heated any metals, it absorb the heat light and reaches to the maximum radiation, emit the maximum radiation. After reaching maximum radiations, again it comes back to the come back to the its original position. So it is decreasing with further so in black body depend upon temperature. At a given temperature, intensity of radiation emitted increases. Temperature increases, intensity increases and decreasing wavelength. Intensity reaches maximum value in a given wavelength. So why our eyes are observing only the blue color? Why we are observed only blue color in this iron rod? Why we observe the red color in this iron, or why we observe the blue color in this iron? Because here the maximum intensity, whatever the iron rod is there, the iron rod which is emitting the maximum intensity, whatever the wavelength it absorbing the maximum intensity of the light, the maximum intensity it observing the color, it observing the colored light and emitting the colored radiation. If it absorbs the blue light, as the temperature increases, it absorbs the blue light and emitting the blue radiations. So whatever the maximum light it absorbing, and same light it is emitted, right? So intensity reaches maximum. It means it absorbing the whatever the radiation it absorb the maximum, whatever the wavelength it absorb the maximum, whatever the iron rod which absorbing the, if it absorbing the red color wavelength of the light maximum, iron rod observing maximum, it observing the red color wavelength, so it emitted the red color. If iron rod is observing the maximum blue color wavelength, so that's why it emitting the blue color light. So that's why the iron rod which emitting the particular specific color, right? Look at here the students. So in this graph the intensity is maximum here, along with when you compare the wavelength also maximum here. This graph they are already mentioned in your textbooks. So intensity maximum and the wavelength also maximum, right? So temperature increases, intensity increases. So here the temperature, the intensity of radiation emitted increases with decreasing the wavelength. Black body depend upon temperature. If the temperature increases, intensity increases here and wavelength are decreased, but it observing the maximum wavelength of the light. The iron rod which observing the maximum wavelength of light, absorbing and emitting the maximum amount of radiation. So that's why it giving the specific color, blue color and the red color, because it observing the maximum radiations of the blue color. Right students, आयरन रॉड द ब्लू कलर का वेवलेंथ को ज्यादा ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है. अगर वो ब्लू कलर की वेवलेंथ को ज्यादा ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है तो वो उसी को वो एमिट भी कर रहा है. सिमिलरली अगर आप द आयरन रॉड को अगर टेम्परेचर हम इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं, जैसे आयरन रॉड की टेम्परेचर हम इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं, उसमें अगर वो रेड कलर की वेवलेंथ को ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है तो वो रेड कलर ही एमिट करेगा. ब्लू कलर की वेवलेंथ ऑब्जर्व मैक्सिमम ब्लू कलर वेवलेंथ ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है तो ब्लू कलर एमिट करेगा. मैक्सिमम रेड कलर वेवलेंथ ऑब्जर्व करेगा तो वो रेड कलर एमिट करेगा. सो दैट इज द ब्लैक बॉडी रेडिएशन स्टूडेंट्स. सो अबोव satisfactory experimental result cannot be explained the satisfactory on the basis of wave theory of light. What are the wave theory of lights are there? The earlier before Planck's, what are they given the wave theory of light? That is not satisfactory explanations, because the light will not consist in the wave nature, along with considering one more nature. So that's why whenever the light, the iron rod which observing the ray of light maximum, if it observe the wavelength of red light, then it emit the red color radiations. If iron rod, if it observe the maximum wavelength, it observe the blue color maximum wavelength and it emitting the blue color as temperature increases. So it means the black body which absorbing the energy in the form of small packet. This is a red color wavelength is a kind of packet, blue color wavelength is a kind of packet. So this statement indicate that whatever the wavelength of light is there here, the absorbing wavelength of light, this matter, iron matter observing the maximum wavelength red light or maximum wavelength blue light. So it means it is the red light is a kind of packet of energy of wavelength. Blue color wavelength is the packet of energy of wavelength. So this is a packet of energy. So that's why he stated that the Planck suggested that the atoms, molecules could not emit or absorb energy in a discrete quantity, not in a continuous manner. Discrete means not continuous, it's a part. So what are the atoms or molecules are there? The iron metal in which what are the atoms are there? It absorb the energy, absorb the wavelength of light in the form of the discrete quantity. It means the small quantity it absorbing. It cannot absorbing the continuous light. It cannot absorbing continuous manner. So atom and molecules emit or absorb energy in packet form. In packet form it observing called as quantum. It is called as a quantum. Right students? Or the one more definition, smallest quantity of energy that can be emitted or absorbed in the form of electromagnetic radiation called as quantum. This is also called as a quantum. Right students? Right students? The atoms or molecule which are absorbing the wavelength of the light in the form of packet. If it absorb the red color packet light of light and emit the red color radiation. If it observe the blue color packet of light, it emit the blue color radiation. So that is the packet of light. So he stated that the light consists a packet of energy. Light consists packet. Packet means it is a kind of mass and it is a kind of mass means is the matter nothing but particles. So he come to the conclusion that the light possesses wave nature as well as the particle nature. This is the first experiment that explained by the Planck constant. He explained that the light possesses wave nature as well as the particle nature. That particle he called as each particle he called as a quantum. Yes, students. So energy of quantum radiation proportional to frequency. Energy of quantum radiation proportional to frequency. Right? If it observe the energy of light, if energy of packet of energy observe the red color emitted. If energy of packet of light observe the blue color emitted. So energy is directly proportional to frequency, and the proportional to constant taken as the h. How much packet of energy it absorbed means it absorbed the packet of energy. It absorbed the packet of energy that is 6.626 10 to the power of minus 34 joules. This much of packet of energy absorb any atoms or any molecule which absorbing this much of packet of energy. Yes, students. I hope you understood the two topics. If you understood, then ask me, students. Thank you.